behind the beautiful plates on social media, behind the smiling chefs posing with their dishes, behind the perfect food photography that makes your mouth water, there is a world most people don't see, a world of exhaustion, a world of sacrifice. Kitchen becomes both a battlefield and a second home. This is the world chefs live in, a world where knives stay sharp, but hearts slowly grow tired. Chefs push their bodies through long hours, burns, cuts, swollen feet, and non-stop stress. Guests enjoy a meal in minutes, but chefs spend hours fighting chaos to create it. And while people celebrate, chefs are missing birthdays, missing relationships, and cleaning the kitchen long after everyone else goes home. Cooking is beautiful, but chef life carries a heavy price. Tonight, we tell the truth many chefs hide behind a smile. This is the real story, the dark side of chef life. Chapter 1. The first cut. Every chef starts the same way, with passion, excitement, and a dream. But the kitchen gives its first lesson quickly. Pain. The new apprentice grabs a knife with shaky hands, trying to chop garlic fast enough to impress the chef. And suddenly, the first cut. A sting of pain, a drop of blood, a lesson learned. A senior cook laughs and says, "Welcome to the kitchen. We all bleed here." And you learn something important. In this world, pain is normal. Burns are normal. Cuts are normal. You don't stop. You don't complain. You tape it and keep going. It's the first sign that the dream is not as simple as it looks. You slowly become used to missing life, but deep down, it hurts. Loneliness grows quietly. You come home late, open the fridge, and realize you haven't eaten all day. You sit alone in silence. You sleep alone. You wake up alone. This is the part no one sees in food shows. This is the part chefs hide behind a smile. Chapter 2. The heat. Kitchens are hot. Not warm, hot. Ovens blasting, steam bursting, grills glowing like fire pits, pots boiling over. You sweat before you even start working. But the real heat is not from the stove. It's the mental pressure. Orders fly in non-stop. 3 risottos, 2 steaks, 6 pastas, 1 vegan dish, 1 gluten-free, 1 extra sauce but no garlic. Tickets pile up. Timers beep. People shout. Mistakes happen. And the pressure grows. Everything must be perfect. Every plate, every garnish, every second. Mess up once, and the whole kitchen feels it. Mess up twice, and someone avoid the rush, hide in the office, take credit for everything. And when something goes wrong, they blame the team. Meanwhile, the real chefs, the ones sweating on the line, the ones cooking, the ones cleaning, the ones carrying the kitchen, earn less. This is the unfair truth. In many kitchens, the hardest workers earn the least, and the ones who do nothing earn the most. It breaks people. It creates hatred. It destroys passion. But it's real, and it happens everywhere. Chapter 6. Dirty Kitchen Politics. Being a good cook doesn't guarantee success. Being skilled doesn't guarantee promotion. Being hardworking doesn't guarantee respect. The kitchen is full of politics. Some people climb fast, not because they're good, but because they know how to manipulate. They pretend to help, but only help themselves. They lie to managers. They blame others to look good. They hide mistakes and expose yours. They play favorites, and somehow they get promoted. They become supervisors. They become sous chefs. They become head chefs, even though they can't cook well. They can't cut properly. They can't handle pressure. They just know how to fool the system. Meanwhile, talented cooks stay stuck. The kitchen becomes a place where manipulators rise. Hard workers burn out. Politics beats skill. Salary never matches effort. This is the part chefs whisper about, the part everyone knows, but no one says out loud. Chapter 7. The loneliness behind the pass. The restaurant is full of noise, laughter, music, conversation. But behind the pass, the chef stands alone. People enjoy the food, but they don't see the chef. They compliment the restaurant, but the chef never hears it. Chefs work in a crowd, yet feel completely alone. No one asks if you're okay. No one asks if you ate. No one asks if you slept. You learn to live quietly inside yourself. You learn to keep emotions hidden. You learn silence. This loneliness becomes part of you. Chapter 8. Breaking Point. Every chef reaches a moment where something cracks. A night where the pressure is too much. A shift where everything goes wrong. A moment where your body wants to collapse. Maybe it's a rude customer, or a wrong delivery, or a staff member quitting mid-service, or a leader blaming you for things you didn't do, or just pure exhaustion. You stare at the flame. Chapter 10. The Future of Kitchens. Not all kitchens are bad. Some are changing. New restaurants promote balance. New leaders focus on respect. Teams share the workload. Mental health is talked about. Salaries slowly improve. Toxic culture is questioned. The future can be better if people learn. As the final chapter, the chef's heart. After the rush, the kitchen goes quiet. Lights dim, pots cool, the floor is mopped, the chaos fades, and a chef stands alone, tired, exhausted, but proud. Despite the burns, despite the hours, despite the politics, despite the pressure, despite the loneliness, their heart still beats for cooking. Chefs are warriors of flavor, artists in chaos, dreamers with knives, creators who bring happiness to others, even when they have none left for themselves. The dark side of chef life is real, but so is the passion. And that passion, that small flame, is why chefs continue. It's why they wake up the next day, why they tie the apron again. Listen and care. Real leadership is not shouting. Real leadership is support. Real leadership is fairness. Slowly, a new generation is rising. A generation that wants humanity in the kitchen.